Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to import summarized data into ClaimSoft. By summarized data I mean here data computed from raw data. Here is an example of Decado data which are summarized. As you can see in this file, this is a station, the year, the month and first decade, second decade, third decade. So first decade, maximum minimum month precipitation. Second decade, maximum minimum precipitation. Third decade, maximum minimum precipitation, and so on. So this is summarized data because this is 3 values per month. Yeah, so note that data that is summarized on decade or monthly basis can be imported easily into ClaimSoft. In practice, this is done when the raw data for those summaries is not available. Otherwise, it is advisable, strongly advisable, to import the actual observations because ClaimSoft is capable of producing those summaries when required. So it is strongly advisable to store raw data because ClaimSoft is able to compute summaries from the raw data. Now, after importing, the summarized values will be placed in the appropriate day of the month and be allocated a period that is equivalent to the number of days used in the summary. For instance, decade or monthly summary values will be placed on the last day of that decade or that month. And the period value will be the number of days in that decade or that month. So let's start with decade or data. So we are going to start with the first scenario whereby elements are in one column. What I mean here is an example of decade or data whereby elements are in one column. So there is another example of decade or data whereby elements are in multiple columns. So this is column 1 of element 2, 3. So the difference here is here we have one column containing all the elements, and here we have the elements in different columns. So we are going to start with showing how to import data whereby element columns are in one, element codes are in one column. So I'm going to show you how to import such type of data. So let's launch ClaimSoft. Let's close this file and then we launch ClaimSoft. Then log in with your username and password. As usual, go to data transfer to import external data. Go to external data menu. This is a text file data, and since this is elements in one column, so we are going to use this type of import which is called daily, and we are going to choose the option of decade. But remember, our file to be able to be imported in ClaimSoft need to be in CSV. If you check this file, find that this one is in CSV, but this one is not in CSV. So I'm going to save this one as well. into CSV file, save as in the same folder, and then I change the format. I select comma separated value, this one, and okay. Yes. So now this one is now ready to be imported into CleanSoft because it is a CSV file. So I have the CSV file for this file. Now let's import now. This is ready for import. As I said, select that file to be imported. It is on the desktop under this folder, and I want a data where it's in a single element in a single column. And then here select the Dicado because this is Dicado data. This is very important. Select Dicado and then you can view your data. So this is our elements are in one column. You can scroll down to see the rest of your data. And remember, our data is for this year 2017, month of September, for many stations. So this is a Dicado data. So that's why I select Dicado, and our data start at row 2, 1, 2. The next step here is to put the column headers. So to put the column headers, we start with the column number 1. So you select here under column header settings, column number 1. This is station ID. Station ID. Column number 2 is element code. Element number 3 is year. Element number 4 is month. Element number 5 is Dicado 1. So here you just select 1. Let me Dicado 1. Element number 6 is Dicado 2. So select 2. And then here element number 7, Dicado 3. So Dicado 3, select number 3. So that's it. So our headers are there, but you are strongly advised to save the header because they can be reused. So for another process, you don't need to match again the headers, but if you save this one, it can be reused. So here we say Dicado, you can say Dicado September, single element, you can say header. As you can see, the type of file is schema, SCH, that means schema. So we save in the same folder. So here now you are ready to load your data into CleanSoft. So let's load this data and then check now if our data were loaded successfully. To load this data, what you do is to click on the load button. So if you click on the load button, so it is loading now, and it is very fast. So let's check this station 10306100. Let's check if such values were imported successfully into CleanSoft. Remember, I removed the scaling because this data goes into the table called observation initial. And in the observation issue, you have to remove the scale. So now, to check if your data were imported successfully, you come here to administration, update observation. So as I say, your data is in this table. In the database, this is 10, 30, 6100, just an example. Let's check element 2. Remember the year was 2017. 2017. The month was November and September. You can start with September. And then click on view. You see? So this shows you that your station were imported successfully. So our month was September. And if you check here, you see now your value were imported successfully. And if you look here, the flag, this is mean cumulative because it is cumulative for 10 days. And the period is for 10 days. So that's it. So you can also check for another parameter, maybe element 3. And then you view. You see this is minimum temperature. What if you check also precipitation and then you view? Yeah, so this is done. So your data were imported successfully. So I'm going to import the second scenario. So remember, if I close this here, the second scenario of Decado data has got data in multiple columns. This is CSVS, multiple columns. But now this is October, the month of October. The previous one was September. Now this is another scenario whereby now we don't have a column for element here, but we have elements in many columns. So this is decade 1, decade 2, decade 3, and so on. So I'm going to import this also, this type of data, using the second method. And then we are going to check if our data will be imported successfully into CleanSoft. Then in this case, launch again CleanSoft as usual. Log in with your username and password. Go to data transfer. Go to external data, text files, but here it is multiple columns because my elements are in multiple columns. So that means my elements are in different columns. As you can see, I'm going to show you how. So go to open file to select that file. So multiple columns, click on it. And this is Decado data, remember. And then view your data. As you can see, this is the dialog for multiple columns, and we have our element in multiple columns. So this is maximum column, minimum column, and precipitation column. So remember always to remove the decimals. Tick this this option because our data will go in the observation initial without decimals. The next step here is to match our column headers. So column number 1 here is station ID. Column number 2 is years. Column number 3 is what? Month. Column number 4 is decade. So here we call it days. Okay, we select day, and then column number 5, it is maximum temperature, which is element 2. And then number 6 is minimum temperature, which is element what? Element minimum temperature is element 3. And then precipitation, which is element number 5. So here is you are done with your matching. So you better save your headers so that they can be reused for this headers for multiple columns. So you can add here, this is headers, so that you can be, this can also be reused next time. So your data is ready to be imported into Glimpse of Sun. To import this data, you need to click here on the load button. By clicking on the load, the process will start, and you can see it is very fast. It has done. So the next step is to check if our data were really imported. So remember, we have the year is 2017 October. So let's go and check if our data were really imported. Administration, update observation. So put that station 1030 6100. For example, element 2, the year is 2017. Remember, the month is October. Very important. And then say view. As you can see now, your data were imported successfully. Your data were imported successfully. So this one is for the decade 1. This one is decade 2. This one is the decade 3. And this is, the flag is called CSAT mean cumulated. And then the period, this was 1010, and this month is October. So that's it. So you can also check for another parameter like minimum temperature, and then when you view, you see it was imported. We have also precipitation. If you view, even your precipitation were imported successfully. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. In my next video, I'm going to demonstrate how to import now monthly data. Take care.